With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question says that mean of 100 observations is 50. So we are given the mean of 100 observations, which is 50. If one of the observation, which was 50, is replaced by 150, then the resulting mean will be. So what was done was that one of the observation, which was 50, was replaced by 150. So the total number of observations will remain same, but the sum will change. And we are supposed to find out this new mean when the sum has been changed. Now option 1 is 50.5, option 2 says 51, option 3 says 51.5, option 4 says 52. Now we know that sum of observations, sum of n observations is equal to number of observations multiplied by mean of these n observations. Now in this question we are given the mean of 100 observations. So to find out the sum of 100 observations, 100 observations, we will have n is equals to 100 multiplied by mean is given 50, so the sum will be 5000. So this is the sum of observations. Now there was a term which was 50 and it is replaced by 150, so the sum will change and the new sum will be sum, that is sum of 100 observations. The term 50 has been removed and another term, another observation which is 150 has been added. So the new sum will be 5000 plus 100. So this will give us 5100. So this is the new sum. Now the new mean, because we know the formula for mean is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Now let's put in the value. For new mean, there will be new sum. So new mean will be equal to new sum. New sum is 5100. Number of observations are same because one term has been replaced by another. So the total number of terms will remain the same, that is 100. On dividing this by this, we will get 51. So the new mean is equals to 51. And this is our answer. Now let's go to the options. Option 1 says that 50.5, this is not correct option. Option 2 says that 51, so this is the correct option. Option 3 says that 51.5, not correct. Option 4 says 52, which is also not correct. So option 2 is the correct option and this is our answer. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.